I often hear, both in the theological world and also, in the general church world, that the church has replaced Israel. God is done with the Jewish people, and that's it. There's nothing to talk about. Particularly for us in these days, we're meditating on Ezekiel 37. The dry bones that have come together, they've gathered, and there's flesh on them. We look around us in the state of Israel, we see this is happening. I look at what God has said in these scrolls, words that He said almost 2,500 years ago. As we read them from the original Hebrew, we see that they are being fulfilled before our very eyes. God is not done with the Jewish people. God is not done with His plan for humanity. And I'd like to ask you, do you want to stand on the sidelines as God is moving so mightily in this tiny country among this small group of people? Or do you want to take part as God is going to bless the world once again from Israel to the ends of the earth? Will you stand with us in this task? Will you rise up with us in prayer and partnership to believe in God's promises of redemption and join hand in hand proclaiming the hope of Yeshua and become one for Israel?